Hi, my name is Neil Guest, the founder of the Power Lead System, and I just wanted to put this quick video together because we just launched the most powerful drag and drop editor in the entire industry. I mean, this thing is a game changer. And one of the things that separates what we do from anybody else is we have what's called a share code feature. And what that means is when you create, let's say, a website or a sales funnel, you can then turn around and create a share code, and you can share that entire sales funnel, all the content that you created. You can share it with anybody. You can share it with entire downlines. And so this makes creating that much more fun. And I'll tell you something about myself. I've never created a website in my life until this drag and drop software came along. Never done it. So what you're looking at right now, the very page that you're on right now, I created this in one evening, not a week, not days, one evening. I created this entire page. So that's one thing to have created this page, but here's the best part about this. I created a share code for this page, and I'm going to show you that share code at the end of this video. And you can take that share code if you decide to join, get your free trial. I'm going to invite you to do that at the end of the video. But you can take that share code, plug it in the back office of your marketing system, and instantly you're going to have this page available to you. And the great news is you don't have to do anything. Your name's going to be on it. All the free trial links link directly to you where you get the credit. All you got to do is plug that share code in, start marketing, and that's it. One of the things that separates us from everybody else besides the share code is the support that we offer. Do you realize that every day I dedicate my time and I am live doing Facebook Live presentation Q&As where I'm going to show you how to use your PLS system. I'm going to show you how to use the drag and drop editor. I'm going to answer your questions. I'm going to help you. I'm going to help your team. And the support that you get not only from myself, but all the other thousands of members that we have inside that Facebook group, they offer their knowledge and support. So you're never going to be you're never going to feel left out or alone. You're always going to feel like you have tremendous support because that's what we offer. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to jump inside of our back office and I'm going to show you how I created this very page that you're on right now. Okay, so here we are in the back office of the Power Lead System. And as you can see, we offer an absolute ton of features. And you're going to learn so much. We offer free training. We have live hangouts every week as well. We have a Power VIP club with tons of training, share codes, copy, banners, anything that you could ever imagine to build your business. And one of the things that people really, really love about our affiliate program is, number one, our product is only $30 a month and you get access to everything we have. But all you have to do is refer 3 customers and your system is absolutely free. You're no longer paying out of pocket, just 3 people. That's it. So let's get started. I'm going to hover over websites, click on drag and drop editor. And I'm going to jump right here to where our editor is. And you have 2 things here. Something called blocks, which basically is the building blocks of your web page, and then something called components. And these are things that you can drag inside the blocks. So let me show you how I started this page that you're on right now. I clicked on blocks and I went to the call to action blocks. And the one I used is right here. So look at how simple this is. You just drag it in here and you just drop it. Whenever you want to edit text or anything, you just hover over and then just click the text icon and you can edit as simple as that. These buttons are very easy to edit. You can code them to go wherever you want. And watch this little cool feature here. I'm going to click on components. I'm going to click on media, and I can either grab a YouTube video or a Vimeo, and I'm just going to drag it in here like this. And wherever that blue line is, that's the top of where it's going to go. So I dropped it just like that. And so you can see this is starting to take shape already. If I want to change the background pick, I just click there and then click background image. And we have got an entire library of background picks. Now here's the great news. Our editor is constantly going to increase in value. We're constantly going to be adding new lead capture page templates, blocks, more background images. We will never stop adding value to this drag and drop editor. All right, so I'm going to choose, this is the one I chose for the page that you're on right now. So I selected that. And then what you need to do is click Apply Changes. And there, just like that. See how simple that was? Okay, moving along, I'm going to jump back over to blocks. And this time I'm going to go to features. And I'm going to drag one of these in here. I think this is the one I used right here. So I'll drag and drop that right in here. And you'll notice there's a different pick that was here. So what I did is I clicked on this. I went back to the background images. And the one I chose for this particular block is right here. Click on Apply Changes. And look at that. And then obviously all you do is just change the text once you've got your block in there. So another call to action block that I put in was further on down, and it was right here. Okay, so look at that. There was an entire block where all I had to do was just change the text on here. I changed the pick in the middle. And let me show you something really cool about these icons. If you click on the icon and you click on icons here, look at that. You've got an entire section here of all these different icons that you can choose from. So if I wanted to change the icons, which I did to more, better match the benefit that I was giving, you just select it, and it's as simple as that. Now I can change the size of the icon, I can change the icon itself, and I can change the color. So you have complete and absolute control to create anything that you want, and it's just that simple. All right, so the next block that I used for my website was called Content, and I chose this one right here because it already has a video on it. And I just swapped that video and put new text here. Now let me show you how easy it is to swap video. You just click on the edit icon, and then every YouTube video, as you probably know, has a unique 11-character code in the address bar, and all you do is just swap it. It's so simple. Now one of the last blocks that I used was called Contact, and these are forms that are already done. They already connect to you, and it's a way for anybody visiting your website. They can submit their name and email to you and a message. So I thought that would be a good idea to put that in there. All right, so look at that. This has just been a few minutes, and I've just built this page out. And as you can see, it's so simple. And all I have to do to finish this is simply start editing all the text. But I've just built the page that you're looking at right now in mere minutes. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to save this page. Now that I saved this page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this page go live. Because with the Power Lead System, we allow you to bring over whatever domain that you may have with another company, or you can buy a domain from us. And this is how easy it is to attach this to your domain. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to label your page so you can find it in the list of pages that you've created later, very easily. I'm just going to call this new page 2020. And whatever you type in here, that's what's going to go inside the title tag. And if you don't know what the title tag is, it's up at the top of the website. And if you look at the site you're on right now, you'll see the words drag and drop magic, because that's what I used in my title tag. Okay, so check this out. You can have unlimited subdomains, and you can create them on the fly. So once you have a domain inside of our system, you can create unlimited subdomains, and you can create them right when you want them. So let's say I want to create one right now. I'm just going to call this Success 101 and then .plspowerchat.com and submit. And that's all there is to it. I have just made this website live that quick. All right, so this is what I just built in the last few minutes. So can you imagine the power of this, being able to share anything you create with other people? This is incredible stuff. All right, so I'm going to jump back, and I just want to invite everyone right now to click on that button below this video that says Start My Free Trial. Now, I promised earlier that I'd put a share code up on the screen. Okay, there it is. Now, that share code, when you plug that in to your back office, you're literally going to get the page that you're on right now instantly, and it's going to track to you. You don't have to do anything. It's all set up and ready to go. Again, my name is Neil Guest, the founder of the Power Lead System. I highly encourage you to click on that button below that says Start My Free Trial and get started with us. And I look forward to meeting you inside our Facebook group. Remember, I'm there practically every day. We'll see you there.